Hello everyone, welcome to Windows for All. Today, before heading onwards on today's video topic, I have a request to all of you. We are very near to have 1000 subscribers in our channel. It's my request that before watching our videos, please subscribe our channel. Okay, so let's head it towards our today's topic. It's on how to change username in Windows 11. So the first way is from settings. For this, you have to press Windows plus I. This will bring up settings page. From the left pane, click on accounts. From the right, select your info. Now scroll down and here you will see a accounts link. Here it is. Click on this. You will come to see a Microsoft account page on your default browser. Sign in if you are not already signed in. I am already logged in here. Now choose your info. You will find it in the top left of the page. Click on this. From the right, click on Edit Name. Here it is. Click on this. In the pop-up, you can change the new account name as per your preferences. Now you have to fill the CAPTCHA for verification if prompted. Click on Save. Now you can see if the username change has been applied. The next way is through Control Panel. For this you have to press Windows key plus R, type Control. Press Enter to open the Control Panel. Here it is. Now look for User Accounts. Here it is. Select User Accounts. Click on Make changes to my account in PC settings. Click on this. Here it appears as like way 1. Now click again on Account. Select your info from the right side. Now scroll down and click on Accounts link. The Microsoft account page will open up. Now select your info. Next, click on Edit Name. In the pop-up, you can change the new account name as per your preference. Fill the CAPTCHA here and then hit the Save. That's for way 2. Heading towards way 3, it's via Netplwiz. For this, you have to press Windows key plus R together. In the Run window, type Netplwiz. Click on OK. In the user account window, you will be in the users. Choose the account you would like to rename. Firstly, tick on this. Now hit Properties. In the General tab, update the username in order to change username in Windows 11. You can also enter the full name and description, which would be optional. Now hit Apply. Finally, click on OK. Choose OK to close the wizard. Sign out to apply the changes. Moving towards way 4, it's using the command prompt. For this, you have to click Start. Type in CMD. From the right, select Run as Administrator. If a dialog box prompts, click Yes to continue. In the black command prompt window, you have to type a command. This one. You will get this command in the description box. Copy this and paste it here. Press enter. Here listed all the local user account names including the default accounts. Now to change the user account name, you have to follow a command. Here it is. Here you can see current name. And then you can see new username. For example, your laptop's current name is guest. And you want to change it to your own name. I'm replacing with mine. Now copy this and paste it here. Now hit the enter key. Restart your PC after passing all these commands. Moving towards way 5, it's with Windows PowerShell. For this, you have to click on Start. Type in PowerShell. From the right, select Run as Administrator. On User Account Control pop-up, select Yes to continue. Now you have to follow a command. Here it is. You will get this command too in the description box. Paste it here. Hit the enter key. Here also listed all the user account. Now in this step, you have to just replace your current username with new username the same way as we did previous. So for this, you also have to follow a command. This one. Put your current username here and change how you want it to be present. Now copy this and paste it here. Now hit the enter key and reboot your PC to apply the changes. The last way, way 6, it's through local security policy. For this, you have to click the start, type local security policy. From the right, click on open. Now navigate to local policies. Double click on this. Now choose security options. Double click on this. Expand this and look for accounts rename administrator account. This one. Right click on this. Click on properties and here you can change the default administrator account name as per your preferences. So after editing the name, click on apply and then click on OK. Now restart your computers. So that's it. For more such videos, please subscribe our channel and share this video as much as you can with your friends and near ones who might need of it. And also hit the bell icon to get instant notification of our published videos. Thank you. For more such videos, please subscribe our channel and share this video as much as you can with your friends and near ones who might need of it. And also hit the bell icon to get instant notification of our published videos. Thank you.